I'm here bass fishing with this pink zoom worm and my loose bait caster. I done caught 3 just casting at this tree. Well, I caught 1 down there, but I've caught 2 down here. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. I meant to get the first 2. They were all bass. Fish after all of her casts. Now we caught 4 total. Huh? Yeah, and tell them how many fish I caught. Huh? I've caught 3. 2 down there and 1 down here. Alright, if you come move down here if you want. Number 4 for me, another about the same size bass. I'm gonna take him up and put him back in the water. So yeah. Nice cast. He's got fish number 2, probably the biggest one of the day. Yeah, that's the biggest one today. Good job. Fist bump. Alright, she's gonna take that off. We're gonna keep fishing. Show him it one more time. Good job. That's money, dude. The 3rd fish. Not as big as the other one, just a little bass. But yeah, we're gonna keep fishing. Oh, I just caught my 5th fish. That's might be the biggest of the day. It's about the same size as that one. Yeah, that might be good. Ellian's got her 4th fish on fish number 5, so we've got 9 in total. One hook him, he ain't barely hooked. Stop me.
I know. I was trying to get out my hook.
We're him on the spin dandy. Yeah, that's nice. So you youngins that don't take no fancy bait to catch a fish. All you need is a good old spin dandy. And there I can record my phone and fish, so I'm doing my best. I'll show y'all when I catch it. Y'all. But my rod just broke. Look at it. I casted my frog. Not lying, my rod. I think I said rod. But it's alright, I got a backup rod at the house. I'll just take this off and put it on it. It's a better rod, it's a Bass Pro rod. But it'll be alright. I guess that means it's a sign to buy another bait caster. So yeah, and that really does suck. Look at the other end of the rod. I would try and glue it, but the rod ain't gonna have the same action it had before, so I ain't gonna waste my time. So yeah. Y'all know I'm whipping the razor just to end the video. This ain't mine, by the way. I wish it was. This thing's nice. It's on 33 by 20 Moto Habits. These things are bad news, boy. They don't even ride bad, like you think they would. It's got speakers on it and all. This thing is fire. I love it. I need me one.